Hi, this is Jake from Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to change the theme color of your platform, as well as various other frames or widgets on this platform for the QST trading platform. Now to start off, I'd like to show you the overall general theme customization option of this platform. To do so, you'll need to head over to General, then scroll down and you'll notice there's a Themes option. You can also press F4 to get to this window, and once you click on it, you'll bring up the Themes Manager. Now from here, you should probably be on the default. The default, as you can see, is more of a white and gray color scheme. For any of the available themes here, feel free to click on the left or right arrows. This will give you a bit of a preview of what the actual theme will look like once you do apply it to your platform. That way you don't make any changes without actually liking the product. So for example, this is a default, as I've mentioned. We can continue to scroll through. Let's say we want something with a blue theme. You can click on Azure. Clicking through the arrows, you can see all the backgrounds become a lightish blue, that Azure color that we're looking for. And as you can see, just gives us a brief display across all the different frames here on the platform. Continuing to scroll through, here's a black theme. You get the point. You can select the theme here on the left-hand side and then preview it on the right-hand side. If there are any themes here that you're not a fan of, feel free to click on that new button. Type in a name. We can just type this theme. Then you'll want to pick your base color. There's a ton to choose from here. Or you can even kind of use the saturated filters or these different gradients here. Choose something you like and then apply it. So let's go for this reddish pink color here. Click OK. As you can see, this is our base color. If you like, you can use a black and white foreground, so whatever's going on behind your charts or your different frames there. And then as you may have seen with some of these, they do on some of the different themes alternate between different odd and even rows on their color. So one may be a dark black and then one may be like a lightish gray, as you can kind of see here. That's just an option the platform does give you, so feel free to opt into that. If we click OK, as you can see, this is kind of what our preview looked like. So as you can see, we have the odds and even rows. One is a lighter pink, one's a darker pink. It's a bit harder to see with this color scheme, but you kind of get the point. If you did make a custom one and you want to delete it, feel free to click that delete button. Or if you do have a color in here and you want to name it something unique so you remember it down the line, you can just highlight it, click save as, and then we can just name it whatever we want. So gold. So once we have our theme that we've chosen, we can just click to highlight it and then click apply, and then it'll apply it to our background or our theme color. Now, unlike some other platforms, changing the theme color doesn't necessarily change every aspect of this platform. It's more so focused on the widgets that you'll open up, which are the major core functionality of this platform. So to show you what I mean, let's open up a chart. As you can see here, it has that salmon paint color we were going for before. Now, at any time, you can actually customize any frame individually rather than that general theme that I just showed you. If you want to customize a theme for just a particular widget, you can go ahead and right click. Now, when you do right click, you'll need to search for the name of the frame. So this is charts, the frame we're working with. If you have one for example, the fixed quote page, you see when my mouse is currently hovering over. You can go ahead and change the theme color for that too. You'll just need to find the option that says fixed quote pages. Once you hover over that option, scroll down a bit and you'll see properties. Every frame has it, so all you'll need to do is just look for that properties. Or you can just highlight the actual frame itself and click Alt-P. It'll bring you to the properties for any frame you have open. Clicking on properties, as you can see, there is quite more customization that is actually shown here than that general tab. As for example, we can change literally everything from the background to the grid color, to information that is presented to us, the transparency of that information. We can change cursor, we can change the type, color, text, width, toolbars, tooltips, chart interactions, values, times, chart types, bar settings, all of which can be customized color-wise. We do have some other options here in the advanced settings, nothing too much as far as themes goes. This is more so as fonts and functionality rather than actual colors and thematic schemes we can choose. As for order entries, this is an entirely different section on its own, all which can be customized just within charts. So if you are colorblind or whatever the case may be, you may need to change your buy and sell buttons to different colors, in which are a little bit visually represented better than what you can see. So of course, this is real money. You don't want to use a color that you can actually see when trading. So feel free, again, you can use these gradient options to customize whatever you need to customize. It's pretty much a possibility on this platform. Everything will be breaking down exactly by the feature that you'll be customized. So feel free to keep a lookout on the left-hand side for those. Now, if you have made changes on multiple things, you'll want to click apply to all. So all those changes will go into effect. If you like the changes you made and you want to use this as a default going forward for any new charts you open up in the future, click default for new, and that'll set all those thematic settings under the default. So for now, when you open up a chart in the future, if we save this salmon pink color going forward, all our charts going forward will have that salmon pink background. If you made changes and you don't like any of them, just click cancel. Now, like I said, you can pretty much do this for any widget on this platform or any frame. So heading over to snapshot quotes, if you right click, we just need to scroll down. Let's find the properties, Alt P once again. And there you go. You see you have price row colors, timestamps row colors. There's things for background, foreground, lower value, higher value, grids, tables. All of it can be customized. Head over to account information. Of course, our chart is here in the wrong location, but it doesn't matter. We can head over, for example, quotes monitor. Again, customizable. Just head over, like I said, you find the name of the widget, quotes monitor, or you click Alt P, click on properties, and we have a ton of different customization here, all of which can be made to your own liking. So feel free to mess around and customize as you need. Just remember, all thematic customization will be done in properties. Again, click Alt P shortcut on your keyboard, and there you go. It automatically brings it up. If you do have any questions, feel free to post them down in the comment section below, or join us on our community forum. It's not just posts about QST. We have general conversations about trading, trading tips, trading questions related to the platform. So feel free, if you do have questions on QST, maybe something that hasn't been covered in the video yet, please ask it there. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QST content. And once again, thanks for watching.